Good morning, this is Dr. Gondikonda Reddy. Now I would like to explain the construction of parabola. See here the question how it reads. Construct a parabola with the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. Also draw tangent and normal to the curve at the distance of 40 mm from the directrix. Okay, think about drawing of tangent and normal. Now, first of all, we will focus about how we have to complete the drawing of the parabola. Now, we all understood that we require to have E value for drawing of any conic section. But what is the value? Just think of. Being it is a parabola, we know the eccentricity for parabola is 1. So according to the ratio, how we have to do it? 1 we can write it as 1 by 1. So what we have to do then? Numerator plus denominator is equivalent to 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. Now that means the distance between directrix and the focus we have to divide into 2 divisions. 1 plus 1 means 2. So, see here, we have to draw the directrix, a vertical line, a directrix as I am showing with the green ink, axis representation. Then perpendicular to that from O, draw axis. Right? It is also axis representation. Draw it. Some length you take it and draw it. Now, identify focus. Identify focus at the distance of 50 mm on the axis line. See here, F I am marking, the distance is equivalent to 50 mm. F1 I am writing, I am supposed to write F1. So, F1 is equivalent to, just have it, F1 is, YF1 is equivalent to 50 mm. Take YF1 is equivalent to 50 mm. Just it is OF1, take it, it is OF1, just I am marking, please wait for a while, it is OF1 is equivalent to, it is O and F1 is equivalent to 50 mm. You mark this distance from this point to this point is equivalent to 50 mm. So, how many divisions we have to do it? So, 1 by 1, 1 is equivalent to 1 by 1 we can write it as I am showing over there. So, that is equivalent to 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. That is, this OF1 we have to divide into 2 divisions. So, middle point, this I am marking V, middle point, this is V. Just see, V. It is at what distance? Only 2 divisions we have to do it. So, from this point to this point, we have to divide into 2 divisions. This is 1 and this is 2. 2 divisions only we have to do it. So, at 1 according to, as I told you about the process of construction is this conic section, what we have to do at vertex we have to draw the vertical line. This vertical line we have to draw it vertically up and down, right? We have to draw it up and down. Now, what is the third step? We have to take the distance of VF1, V2, F1, take with compass, with V as center, rotate it towards the line from V. You just have this like this. Just have that. Now, we got the point on this line is S. Now, what we have to do? Draw O to S and extend it. O to S and extend it. Now, in the curve, we are having already V, right? From V onwards, we have to put number of points. As I am telling, for every 5 mm, put 1 point and draw the vertical line. So, already we are given 1 and 2, I am taking 3. For 5 mm, I am taking 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You take some 10 points or 11 points, not more than 15 points. So, we are going to have a very big curve, not required. So, have some some 15 points, not more than 15 points, 10 to 15 points you can take it. Now, to get, already we are having V, to get 1 point on this line, we wanted to have the point on this line, what we have to do it? We know it is the point from 3 to 3 dash, take the distance of 3 to 3 dash, cut the same 3 dash line from F1. From F1, you just have the compass cut on this line. So we are getting the point at this place. So this is P1, and similarly you do it at the bottom also. From here, cut on the line. So we are going to have, this is P1 dash. It is P1 and P1 dash. Like. Then moving to second point, you take the distance of fourth point is there, no? 4 to 4 dash, cut the same 4 dash line from same F1, always from F1. This is F1, cut upper side with the compass and bottom side. Upper side I am marking P2, bottom side I am marking P2 dash. So then similarly, fifth point, to take the distance of 5 to 5 dash, cut the same 5 to 5 dash line from F1. So we are getting the point somewhere here, upper side. I am marking as P3 dash. Likewise, cut even from downside, it is P3 dash. Then, how we can get P4 point? To take the distance of this 6 to 6 dash length, cut same 6 to 6 length from same F1. So we are getting P4 point here. Downside we are getting P4 dash. Then similarly we have to extend. Then I am going for P5 point. How I am getting P5 point? Take the distance of 7 to 7 dash. Cut the same 7 dash line from F1. Always from F1. Cut from F1. Upper side we are getting here. Downside we are getting here. It is I am marking as P5. I am marking as P5 dash. Then coming to sixth point, this is on 8 to 8 dash length. Take the distance of 8 to 8 dash, 8 to 8 dash. So take the length, cut the same line from F1, always from F1. So I am marking here, I am getting here. So I am marking as P6. Downside, I am getting somewhere here. So I am marking as P6 dash. Likewise, P7, how I am getting? Take the length of this one, 9 to 9 dash length. Cut the same 9 to 9 dash length from F1, always from F1. This is F point. You just cut from here. Just I am marking here F point. Just F point. So cut the same from F point on 7 to 9 dash line, upper side and downside. Upper side I am marking as P7. Downside I am marking as P7 dash. Like next point, take 10 to 10 dash distance. Here we are having 10 and we are having 10 dash. Take the 10 to 10 dash distance. Cut the same 10 distance from F1 upper side. We are getting this point, and downside we are getting this point. I am marking this point as P8 dash. Downside I am marking as P8 and P8 dash. Then likewise you can extend it. I am taking some 12 points. So now what we have to have? We have to join all the points from V, vertex from V. So just see it. This is V, V2, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9. Likewise. Don't go beyond 15 points. So if you are going for 15 points, it's no end curve. So it will continuously it will get. So we have to see that we have to accommodate in a given drawing sheet. So take some 10 to 15 points only. Don't go for even 10 to 12 is enough generally. Likewise, we just go on drawing the curve bottom side also. Here we are having vertex. Here we are having P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash. Likewise, we are taking some 7 points here. We are having even 10 points also. P10 dash, like that we are getting. This is how we are going to have the curve. Just see, I am marking once again. This is upper side of the curve. This is bottom side of the curve. Now, how we have to draw the tangent and normal? Here also in the question, it reads, draw the tangent and normal to the curve at the distance of 40 mm from directrix. From directrix 40 mm. We know it, we are going to have the mini drafter like this. So, put 40 mm here, measure the 40 mm. So, you take 40 mm here, wherever we are getting 40 mm on this. Just it is 40 mm on the scale, draw the line. That is, this is the distance of 40 mm. So, at this point, we have to draw the tangent and normal. Let us say this point I am marking as Q, right? Now, what we have to do? Draw Q to F1. Draw the line Q to F1, thin line to H pencil. Then, draw the perpendicular for this Q to F1 line from F1 to meet directrix like this line. Right? We are getting this point, whatever the point you can mark any point. Any point you can mark it, some I, right? Some point I. Now, join I to already existing Q on this curve. We are having curve now. We join it with a thick pencil. We use thick pencil and draw it with mini drafter scale. So, this is a tangent. I am marking this tangent as TT dash, just TT dash. So, this is how we are going to draw the tangent. Then, normal is perpendicular to this tangent. So, take perpendicular scale. We are having these two scales perpendicular to each other. You keep this scale parallel to this tangent line. Use this scale to draw the normal for that. See, I am keeping this one scale parallel to this line tangent. Use another scale to draw the normal. I am marking this as N dash. So, normal N dash. Tangent is TT dash. This is how we are going to complete tangent and normal. So, after drawing this, we have to draw all these points. This is parabola, draw with 6 mm letters. Then OF1 distance is 50 mm, draw at the bottom, all 5, 6 mm letters. The E is equivalent to, E eccentricity is equivalent to 1, T dash is tangent, N dash is normal. That's how it looks like. So, I am showing from some distance for some time entire diagram. Just draw it neatly. Try to complete it. See, once again I will explain to get P1 dash points. I am showing you here, I am writing here the text. To get P1 and P1 dash point on the curve, let us say I am explaining only one point, upper side and down side. What we have to do? Take the distance of 1 to 1 dash, upper side, we are having upper side, and cut the same 1 to 1 dash line from F1, upper side, I am marking as P1, downside P1 dash. Likewise, we have to mark P2 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 P5 dash, like that so on so, P12 dash. You take some 10 points, you can take even 12 points or not more than 15 points, because we have to accommodate in a given drawing sheet. Otherwise, it is looking very big and we are unable to accommodate all the 3 drawings. So, this is how we have to do it. Try to complete this drawing and submit it in time. I am showing you this part also. This is what we have to do at the bottom, and I am showing you even this this question neatly. Even I am showing you this diagram. Thank you. Do it very neatly and try to submit in time. Thank you for patience listening. Thank you.